Good morning, everyone. Today is March 27th and it is Friday. Yay! We got through another week of homeschool. Give yourself a pat on the back. I am very proud of you for doing your best thinking and your best learning while at home. And hopefully you are having lots of fun too, being safe, healthy, and happy. So, for this good morning message, I am going to go over what I would like you guys to do for Friday. All right, at the very top of our page, we have some assignments, daily assignments for Friday. I put some very special things up here for you guys, my favorites. If you want to get your morning wiggles out, Popsico is a great way to do it. Especially when that silly hot dog comes on. I think that's a very funny character and dance move. Your next activity is I put a letter of the week. Here are some optional calendar materials. Equals math with Miss Hillary so that you guys can keep learning and practicing your addition. We have a read aloud with Miss Crystal. She's reading one of our new books about, wait for it, Unicorn Day. Ooh, I'm so excited to read this new book. And then the next, animal strokes. Choose one activity for writing. So that is it for today. I hope you guys have a fun, happy Friday and get ready for the weekend. Bye.